Hi, I'm Abigail Tucker with Polara Health. I'm a psychologist, a mental health first aider, and I am passionate about talking to anybody and everybody about how you can help prevent death by suicide. Death by suicide is still a top 10 leading cause of death in the United States, but I want to go over some steps that you can take to help save the life of somebody that you know, you care about, you see. Step 1, ask. Ask directly. Are you having thoughts of suicide? I know that this can be an uncomfortable question for some, so practice beforehand, take deep breaths, ask directly, are you having thoughts of suicide, so that you have the clear information you need so you can together take the actions that you need to prevent harm. Step 2, compassionately connect somebody to care. Moving from information to action is how we prevent harm, but how you do that matters as well. So let's talk about those resources. I encourage you to take time to find out what crisis resources are available in your community. In the Prescott and Prescott Valley area, know that Polara Health Crisis Stabilization Unit is open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. But also 988 is a resource. In July of this year, our country moved the National Suicide Prevention Hotline to a 3-digit universal code, 988. So how you do this matters too. Compassionately connect somebody to the care that they need. It's okay if you don't have all the answers. It's okay if you're both scared. But staying with that individual as they get the services they need can make a life-saving difference. And finally, follow up. Follow up with them. Make sure they got connected to the resources they need. Follow up with yourself. Taking care of somebody in crisis requires some self-care as well. And finally, follow up with that person after the crisis has passed. They still need you to be their friend, their neighbor, their loved one, their coworker. So quick review. Ask directly, are you having thoughts of suicide? Step 2 is to compassionately connect them to care and know that 988 is always a resource. And step 3 is to follow up with them and with yourself. Thank you for taking the time to learn about steps that you can take to help prevent death by suicide.